Hello there. This is our self-converted Sprinter camper van. We've been living in this for a little bit over a year now. One of the features we have is a diesel heater. It's an Espar D2 diesel heater. It's mounted under the passenger seat here. It's been a wonderful addition, keeping us warm in colder weather. Lately though, it has been having trouble starting up. So it takes several attempts, and you can see white smoke belching out from under the vehicle here where the exhaust pipe is. So what we are going to do is the first step in repairing that, and it's also the least expensive step, is replacing the fuel filter. This costs $6.50 US dollars. We'll link in the description below where we got it. This goes on the inlet side of the fuel pump. The fuel pump is located on the driver's side of the vehicle underneath the chassis, and so we're going to drive up on some ramps to get the vehicle a little higher off the ground, and I'll show you a real quick fix to replace this. Now, as I said, this is step one. Hopefully this is the only step we have to take, but if it's still smoking after this and still having trouble, then we go to step two, which is a bit more involved. That would mean taking the seat off, digging down in here, opening up the heater, and getting in and replacing the atomizer screen and the igniter. But for now, we're just going to hope this takes care of it. So let's get to it. Alright, we've driven the van up onto some blocks just to give it a little bit of elevation so I can fit under here. This is the driver's side. This is the driver's side door here. And right under here is where our fuel pump is. So I'm going to put on some gloves because I might be getting diesel everywhere. Got some paper towels. What I need for this is a 17mm wrench, a 12mm wrench. I've got a 90-degree pick, and I got a pair of pliers and a straight slot screwdriver just to loosen the fuel hose. So let's go under here and get on it. Okay, I've already loosened some things up here. I used a screwdriver to loosen this screw on this hose, and then I used the flat blade screwdriver to pull the hose a little bit away from this fitting here. Once that was loosened up, then I grabbed the fuel pump itself with the 12mm wrench, and I put the 17 on this fitting here, and I can turn it. Once I have this fitting loosened up from the pump itself, I can grab the hose with a pair of pliers, and then I can loosen this the rest of the way. And the pliers keep it from turning the hose, and that makes this fitting just spin inside the hose. And I thought there was going to be diesel going everywhere, but luckily it's staying pretty dry. So there we are. So now the fuel feed is removed, and what we want is right in here. And here comes the old filter. Here's the new filter going back in, just like that. And then I can put this back on. Okay, reassembly was just the opposite of disassembly. I screw that fuel inlet fitting back onto the pump, nice and tight with the wrenches, and then I push the fuel hose back on, tighten it up good with the screwdriver. So now it's back together with our new fuel filter, so we'll turn this thing on and see how well it fires up. Okay, we got a good sound coming from the heater. I can hear it burning down here. Don't see any white smoke. Do I feel any heat here? Yep, that's warming up. Alright, so that is how you replace a fuel filter. This seems to be working pretty well. I think we're going to go with it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please give us a thumbs up. That would really help us out. And subscribe too, because we'll have more videos like this in the future. And once you're subscribed, if you hit that little bell down there, you'll be alerted whenever we put up a new video. So, we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.